guys, welcome back. So as you saw, my pantry is a hot mess and I have a bunch of new goodies from Christmas that I really want to put into use in my pantry. My house is like pretty clean, like, you know, it's not bad, but my pantry needs some work. So I'm having a childless day and today we are going to tackle that pantry. Let me show you some of the supplies that I have to do it. If you saw the white plastic bins, those are actually from Dollar Tree. Like years ago, I bought, I think you can buy 24 in bulk from Dollar Tree online and have them shipped to store. And so I got 24 and I ended up with 12 blue, 12 white. So I did it again, got 12 blue, 12 white, did it again, got 12 blue, 12 white, so that I could have enough. I did them in my linen closet, underneath my sink, the laundry room, blah, blah, blah. So I like the white ones, I like the way they look, but you can't just get white for some reason. They like give you like a random color with the white. So anyway, $1 a piece. And now let me show you the rest of it. I have it on the dining room table. All right, so I got 2 of these for Christmas. They are the food storage containers, airtight cereal storage containers. It's in 6-pack. They're plastic. They come with the lids. I already washed and dried them. It comes with 2 large and then I think 4 small. Yeah, they're 6. 2 large, 4 small with the plastic lids. I got those off Amazon for my wish list for Christmas. I have 2 packs of these. I actually only have 1 here. Another one is still like coming. So they're like little trays. They are stackable. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, but I got a pack of these. These were very affordable. I wanna say they were like $5 to $10. They're the Talented Kitchen Script Pantry Label Set. And it comes with all of these labels. And they are very pretty. Just like the way they're worded and stuff. I like them a lot, the way they look. But the pantry containers actually came with those chalkboard labels with the markers. So you could have them like that. I may end up having to use both, like if I don't have one for whatever the food is that we use. And then this I'm going to use, it's a 2-pack, but I'm gonna use it as my spice rack. I'm gonna have my husband mount that. Comes with the hardware. And that is the 2-pack, 2-tier mesh wall mount spice rack bronze from Amazon by Caxa, C-A-X-X-A. And then these I'm hoping to use for my like plastic baggies and you know, foil and stuff. You can hang them. They have screws. You can mount them or they stack. So I can like hang them underneath the shelf and make a 2-pack. And then I also have something to mount my broom and get that like hung and off the ground. So first things first, I'm going to take everything out of that pantry. Spice racks going in. This is the aftermath, guys. Oh, yeah, you had to make it a do. I had to get card tables. And then Easter exploded. And then all of my lunch boxes and stuff. Paper goods. And it keeps going. I'm gonna wipe off all the shelves and sweep next before I start putting things back in. Now I'm going to work on the command strip broom holder for the other side of the pantry. All right, this is the unfun part. Enjoy. Right behind the door, I put these hooks for our room, and I don't know what else, but and then I was looking in here. You know, you have a 3-year-old when you just find like random stickers stuck to stuff. Like, I don't even know how long that's been there. It's like in the corner. But yeah, so a lot of this isn't even dirty. Like, that's like the wood underneath the paint. So I thought they were just filthy, but it turns out they're not filthy. They're, well, okay, they are filthy. You know what I mean? Some of it's just like damage to the paint. I'm not repainting it today, so I have like 2 hours before I get the kids back. We gotta make some progress here. Ready? Go. All right, finished sweeping. Check me out. Got a broom holder. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys too. I had my husband put another nail up here, or a screw, because I lost my apron holder when he put up the spice rack. All right, so now that we got a clean slate, I'm gonna go ahead and put the trays for the canned goods, get those up here, put the Lazy Susans in the corner, and now I can start putting things back in. All right, I've been putting things back in, and now I have the cereal up here, a couple of random appliances, the wine, obviously. Got my Lazy Susans in the corner with my oils and cooking sprays. I'm decided to use these for my condiments and stuff like that. Put my baggies, aluminum foil there. And I just have one little box of dog treats. Like, her dog food's somewhere else, but these are like bones and treats, so I figured that would be fine in the corner. And then my spice rack is all full. I had to get rid of a few. We had duplicates and they were like expired and blah, blah, blah. Right now I just have water, you know, there in the corner. And then over here, put my canned foods. So I started doing the baking supplies like flour and sugar. So I'll show you guys what that looks like as I'm labeling them and filling them. But here's the true story, guys. It's gross. It's bad. It's pretty ugly in here. And I still have all the food and like the paper towels and things like that that have to fit in here. But yeah, I've gotten rid of like all the spices and condiments that were here. These were all the organizing trays and a bunch of trash. So now we go to do the flour, which is nice because I've been doing this for 2 hours. I've been like walking and standing. So I'm gonna go sit there and dump and label. All right, I'm not done, but I have been putting things in. I do have some more labels, so I need to do some labeling, but look at that. It's starting to look like a pantry. Of course, I'll show you guys when I'm all done, but I just wanted you to see that I have been working on it. And I know it looks awful, but a lot of that's trash. It's just like, I dumped some bin, and there's just like random pretzels and graham crackers smushed all over my counters, so that's fun. But I got all of this, you know, the canisters, everything's off the dining room table. That table's pretty much empty. This table here is empty, except for just like random things. And then that is mostly trash, but some of it I'm gonna save. I'm getting there, guys. I think like another half an hour and I'll be all done. Okay guys, moment of truth, are you ready? The kitchen's pretty good. I mean, there's like a few random odds and ends out, but dun dun dun. Okay, so obviously I have room down here and I put some stacked like bins that are extra. Got to do a few more labels, but baby snacks, baby food, snacks, oatmeal, which we eat every single day. And then this is my favorite side, I think, because I have my new spice rack. The cereal's all neat. All my baked goods. Yay. And then this is my new like holder for all the baggies. I had 5 open sandwich bag boxes. 5 of them, I think. It was ridiculous. So I consolidated down to 3. But that's the problem with having a big pantry and being messy, is that you just think you're out of stuff, so you buy it. Like, I just opened a new mustard, and I'm the only one in the house that eats it. So I have 3 things of mustard. Wow. And then the canned goods, I have room, because honestly, I feel like I don't have that many canned goods. Like, I don't have any green beans. I don't have any broth right now. I don't have any. So, like, I'll definitely have to stock up. But I am so pleased with how this turned out, you guys. Like, I did throw out 2 garbage bags worth of stuff, but honestly, most of it was just having organizational systems. And like, this is a double shelf now because we got like a little tray and then can store things under it, you know? And then the spices, because they're now off my shelves over here where they were, I have more room for the canned goods. So I still have a couple more solutions coming. Like I said, I have another pack of 4 of these. So I might do like peanut butter in one, stuff like that. But like, I am so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this process. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below if you like this sort of a project, because I have many, many more areas in my house that need